What's up, guys? We are here at the National 4x4 Show in Brisbane, and I'm excited to go and check it out.
Follow us around and we'll see all of our mates.
And airbags. And just sick rigs. We're just out here on the oval, and it is an outdoor sauna. And we're just enjoying all the show and shine rigs and then checking out some of the airbags. Yeah.
Might have to do something for these. Cooking out here in this beautiful sunshine. Just behind me here is the toy Zuki. Now everyone that walks up the stairs from the entrance is absolutely breaking their necks as they see this thing. It is unreal. Had a ripper for the release of the toy Zuki at the National 4x4 Show in Brisbane. This giveaway, yes I said giveaway, is going to run till August 2023, and the winner is going to be announced at the National 4x4 Show in Melbourne around my birthday too. So have a good one.